In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Leonardo AI account with ease. Let's make sure this process is as smooth and straightforward as possible so you can start exploring everything Leonardo AI has to offer without any hassle. To begin, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to leonardo.ai. This is the official site where you can access all the exciting tools and resources Leonardo AI provides. Once the page loads, take a look at the top right corner. Here, you will find the Login button. Clicking this will take you to the Login page where the magic begins. Now, the Login page allows you a choice in how you prefer to sign in. Depending on your convenience, you can choose between several sign-in options. Some might use an email and password combination, while others might prefer using a social media account or a single sign-on service. It all depends on what you have set up previously or what you're comfortable with. Whichever method you choose, ensure that it's the one you typically use to avoid any confusion. If you encounter any issues logging in with your chosen method, double-check your credentials. Pay attention to details like uppercase and lowercase letters and passwords, or whether your caps lock is inadvertently turned on. Sometimes, it's these small details that can trip us up. Should you find yourself locked out, most services provide an option to reset your password through a simple email verification process, ensuring you can regain access quickly and securely. Once you successfully log into your account, you're all set to start generating with Leonardo AI. The platform offers a wide range of the capabilities, empowering you to create, explore, and innovate. Whether you're there to experiment with AI-driven solutions or explore new creative possibilities, having seamless access is the first step on your exciting journey. In conclusion, logging into Leonardo AI is a quick and effortless process when you know exactly where to go and what to do. With your account ready, you can dive right into the powerful tools and features awaiting you. Remember, the key is to keep your login details secure and readily accessible to avoid any unnecessary delays. Now that you're equipped with this knowledge, go ahead and enjoy your experience with Leonardo AI, unlocking new potentials and transforming ideas into reality. Thanks for watching and happy exploring.